In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Disney Plus on the Nintendo Switch 2. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and then just scroll down until you see System Settings. Then you want to go ahead and press on that. And essentially, we need to make some adjustments to the settings in order to get access to Disney Plus. So once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see Internet. Then you want to go ahead and press on Internet Settings. It'll now begin to say searching for networks. So you just want to wait for it to load in, and it is going to show you all the networks within your proximity. And then you should already be connected to a Wi-Fi network, and all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, and then you want to go ahead and press over here where it says change settings. Then you're going to get a menu that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see DNS settings. Once you see DNS settings, all you want to do is you want to switch it from automatic to manual. So by default, the Nintendo Switch 2 is going to have it to automatic. So just switch it to manual just like so. Then you want to go ahead and locate primary DNS IPv4 right over here. Then you just want to go ahead and select on it. And then you're going to notice that it is just a bunch of zeros right over here. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and just delete all of these zeros. And then from here, we need to go ahead and input these particular numbers. So you want to make sure that instead of all the zeros, you put in 0, 4, 5, and then dot, and then 0, 5, 5, and then another dot, and 1, 4, 2, then dot, and then 1, 2, 2. And then once you have that, then you just want to go ahead and press on OK. Then you want to go ahead and press on save right over here. And now it will say settings have been saved. So go ahead and just press on OK. And now it will say searching for networks one more time. So just go ahead and wait for it to load in. And then you just want to go ahead and select on your network one more time. But this time you want to go ahead and press on connect to this network. So go ahead and press on that. Now you're going to get a page that looks like this, and it is going to say connecting to the internet. Now it is actually going to fail, but that is okay. That is 100% normal, so please don't get worried. So it will now say this network requires user registration. So once you see this, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on OK. And then after that, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And then towards the top, you will now see the option that says go to Google. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And then from here, you now have access to Google on your Nintendo Switch 2. And all you want to do is just want to go to the search bar and type in Disney Plus right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, then you just want to go ahead and look it up. And obviously, you want to go to the official DisneyPlus.com website. So go ahead and just press on that. And then from here, it is now going to go ahead and bring you to the official Disney Plus login page. So you guys can go ahead and log in right over here if you do have an account. Now you just want to enter in your email and your password as well. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, Disney Plus really is not optimized, nor is it made for the Nintendo Switch 2. So if you encounter any type of glitches whenever you're trying to watch movies or watch a television series, that is why. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.